clipping her hair back and hitting the kitchen.
That's right.
We're talking about celebrity hairstylist turned restaurateur. She's given herself a name in the culinary scene.
She sure has. Gocha Hawkins has had more than 20 years of experience in the beauty industry before trading in her shears for a spatula to follow her dreams as a chef. Go on with yourself. She's known for redefining comfort cuisine and blending the warmth of Southern flavors.
I am here for all of that. You
So
can
good.
also see her on the screen in a new television series called Bold and Bougie. So to chat all of that, we have Gocha here live this morning. She's gonna whip us up some breakfast as well. I mean, thank you.
Thank you for that introduction. That was amazing.
Listen, when we look up in the encyclopedia, Bold and Bougie, it's this right here.
You think so?
So thank you for
Well,
embodying.
which one am I?
Both.
Both.
You're the amalgamation of both.
How you feeling today?
Nice. I'm feeling great.
Excellent.
I'm feeling great.
Thank you for joining us.
Yes.
So we are firing on all cylinders, literally. Can we talk about the food portion of your
Absolutely.
illustrious life first?
Absolutely.
What do you have here?
So I wanted to introduce, my gourmet line of grits and pancakes.
Fantastic.
And so I wanted to do a couple of different options. I wanted to create my lemon pancakes for you guys.
I
Oh.
had my eye on that all morning. And then
They're delicious.
you've brought ingredients to make your...
Absolutely, to make a grit bowl for you guys.
Do you know what grits stands for,
I do
Marisol?
not. Do you? Do you? I do not,
They
apparently.
stands for delicious comfort.
It's girls raised in the South.
Girls
Okay.
raised in the South.
Yeah. Well,
She
that's
went-
what they taught me at the
she
College
went-
of Charleston.
She went to school in the South, so she.
But
thinks,
I don't know if it's accurate.
Listen, as long as it tastes good,
It is
I will take
darn
it.
good.
Okay.
And I have one here that I've already created. This is a grit bowl with chicken sausage, sunny side up, cherry tomatoes, green onions, spinach, cherry tomatoes.
Just all that goodness.
Yes.
Oh,
I'm gonna
look
swing
at
around
him.
here.
You know, I've never seen a grit bowl this extravagant.
Oh,
For me, it
it's
was
amazing.
grits, cheese, butter, salt, pepper, maybe an egg if I was hungry. I
yeah.
like the savory aspect
So
of
let's
this.
not forget that we can also add sugar to our grits. Okay.
I like it when it's brown sugar in my grit as
Okay,
well.
so what are we doing here? What are you
Yes,
going to
I'm
add
ready
here?
To start my water is coming to a boil, so
Yes.
I'm going to go ahead and add a cup of grits. I've
Okay.
already added 4 cups of water, and I'm going to stir in my grits. The great thing about this line is that it's tasty, flavorful, and instant. So
Yeah.
I was talking to a lot of people, and they don't know how to cook. And you ladies already told me that you can cook, but it's still for you guys too.
I like the
because
instant factor
if
as
you want
well.
something instant and flavorful, this is the dish for you.
Okay, great.
Okay. So all we're gonna do here is just add the grits and let it simmer for a couple of minutes. And once it simmers, we can add any of these ingredients as far as butter, heavy cream to enhance the flavor.
Now, I have to ask, because we gave you the introduction, we said
Yeah.
you were a celebrity hairstylist, and now you have quite literally done a 180 pivot. What was the decision? What was the thought process? Why make the
thought
change?
process is basically, I've always cooked, my entire, adulthood. And my friends, they've always come over and say, oh my God, you can really cook. You should open a restaurant. And I wanted to open a restaurant back in 2008, and then the market crashed. And when the market crashed, it was like, okay, now is not the time. So I continued on, doing hair. In 2014, I moved to part of Atlanta where my first restaurant is.
Wow.
And I felt like the community was at a disadvantage because there was not any breakfast restaurants in the area. It was only chain restaurants, And so I thought it would be great to open a restaurant at that time.
A
And
breakfast restaurant.
that's what I did.
Oh my God. Yes,
At
please.
you. Well, thank you for your
Yes.
service, because that is you were doing a justice.
Yes,
to folks.
absolutely, absolutely.
So your grits are doing that thing here. You have a pan.
Yes, I'm getting ready to make you guys an egg. What type of egg would you like?
Any kind you make is fine.
I
for
like
me.
a scrambled egg personally.
Okay. Well, if she's going to start with scrambled, she might as well just finish with scrambled.
Yes.
Just
Okay,
do
sure.
scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs it is.
Scrambled eggs it is.
What's your favorite type of grit bowl?
I don't eat chicken, I don't eat beef or pork. I'm a pescatarian, so
Okay.
with that being said, shrimp would be my
shrimp.
favorite.
Shrimp it is.
That would be my favorite.
Okay.
And
Good for you. I like this because, and Alex, you can attest to this, and if you live in New York, you work anywhere in this city, there are bowl spots.
Yeah.
Salad bowl, grain bowl, this
Sure.
bowl, that
Poke bowl.
Poke bowl.
so you're thinking I should come up with a grit bowl
No,
recipe?
yes,
just for
I
grit
was
bowls?
just gonna say, come up, bring this. What do we need to do to make you a Yankee? Have you come up to New York.
I mean, it ain't nothing but a franchise thing,
Okay.
baby. You know?
Oh, okay. Well, you have a market for it up here, that's for sure. Let's talk about the show as
Yeah.
well.
Yes.
Celebrity hairstylist, restaurateur, and now you're on Bold and Bougie. What is it about?
Bold and Bougie, it's about, you know, an ensemble cast of 5 women, and we're all bosses in our own right, you know. We're entrepreneurs, and we're juggling our lifestyles as far as home, you know, work, careers.
Family, probably, all that stuff.
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely. And some of them are coming off, you know, divorces, and
Oh.
so they're just trying to get back into the swing
Okay,
of things.
okay.
And we're just here to create a sisterhood, you know. And
Is there drama in the show?
listen,
Okay.
with the sisterhood, we all know that at the family barbecue, you have, you know, people who are having issues that do not get along, but we're family at the end of the day, so we have to have
Each other's
conflict
back,
resolution.
yeah.
So,
Oh,
you
conflict.
know.
And looking fabulous while they're doing it. I
Yeah,
saw that beautiful
absolutely.
pink
Absolutely.
ensemble.
Everybody is dressed to the nines.
Okay.
Yes. And we're just put a little seasoning in here.
Just
No.
a little of this,
Just
a little of that.
Can I try this pancake situation?
Absolutely.
I think you
Please,
should.
thank
Can
you.
you
Please,
save me one?
please.
I will
please?
save you a bite.
Now, of all the things that you've done, all the ways in which you have evolved as a person, as a boss, what was the most challenging for you, do you think?
I think the most challenging for me was, you know, learning how to communicate with your team. It's much different than just having casual conversation
Sure.
because now, once you own a business, it's a different ballgame because everybody
there's a
wants-
bottom line, yeah,
and
sure.
so if you want employee retention and things like that, you have to know how to communicate with your team.
Here.
And so you have to create that culture, and that was something that I really had to work on because I'm so quick to say whatever I feel like it.
Well, clearly what you're doing is working because you have some of your team here.
Yes.
This looks divine.
These grits are
Yes.
thickening. Let's assemble this bowl. In the,
Ooh,
but
yes.
Gocha,
And thank you.
thank you.
Yes, thank